Hello and welcome back to Reema's Garden. I am Reema. So today I want to talk about plants and their impact on mental health. I know mental health is one of the key topics that everybody is discussing today, and everybody wants to know whether this will help, in any way. Let's get to it. So now, especially after the lockdown, many of us are still working from home and would want to continue to do so. So, see, mental health can be divided into a lot of things. What are you experiencing? Whether it is anxiety, slightly towards depression, or is it just the lack of motivation, the entire dullness, no productivity, no creativity, and the numbness that you experience, like you're just going through the day and you don't know what is happening. So in my little experience, I'll share my experience with plants and how it has had an impact on me. See, what has happened is, one is when you have plants and they do have like the fruits, I mean you get the tomatoes and the chilies, and that is the exciting part. Why I always suggest everyone to have plants is, what you'll notice is, they just are the way they are, just to be. Now what I mean is, a lot of times we experience emotions and we deny them, or we are mad at ourselves for experiencing those emotions. What happens when you have plants around is, you accept them, or you just let them be. You are willing to feel them out. See, I'm not saying if you have plants you are not going to experience sadness or fear or any of those. What I am saying is, you will be okay feeling those feelings. You will allow yourself to feel it. Why this happens is because subconsciously, over a period of days and months and years, you have been seeing plants being the way they are, just being. And when you observe that, something within you changes on a subconscious level. Now coming back to a lighter note, whether it actually helps with productivity and creativity, yes, definitely yes. So whenever you are going through routine work, especially if your nature of your work is procedural, what you can do is, whatever your workplace, your desk is, and you have a few indoor plants, keep changing them. Today have 2 plants, then you shuffle them and you bring other plants, look at them, tend to them. So that definitely creates a new look around your desk every day. So it has a slight impact on your productivity. So that was on a lighter note. I would suggest, see, I'm not saying you will have the same experience that I have had, but it is worth a shot. It's definitely worth a shot. If not, tomatoes to hai.